How's it, everybody? I'm on my way to a rescue with a bit of a difference. On my way to Phoenix. I've had a call from a resident there. Their African Gray Parrot flew out of their house yesterday and had spent the whole night in a tree. He couldn't get it. He battled the whole of yesterday, and the bird flew around to other trees, and he went from one tree to the next tree but was unsuccessful. So knowing that I spend a large portion of my time up in trees catching snakes, he thought, well, let me phone the snake guy and see if he can help. So yeah, I'm on my way there now. Hopefully the tree is the kind of tree that I can actually climb, and hopefully I can get close enough to the bird to actually get it. I hope it's friendly. Otherwise I don't know how we're going to do this, but I'm certainly going to go try. Anyway, let me get there and see what I can do. See you guys outside. Thank you. Risky. See how I can secure it somehow. Okay. Oh, God, does this bird have to make it any more challenging? I have, yeah. Bird. Okay. What a bugger to have to climb back up the tree just to retrieve your ropes. Come. Come on. It's all up to you now. You have to come to me. Come, bird. Come, birdie. Birdie. Okay. Okay. Sorry, I just want to throw the rope over there. Okay. So, as long as you're holding that rope, you just walk to that angle. As long as you're holding that, if I fall, you'll be able to easily hold my weight. Don't like pull it tight for now because I want to climb up. But if I do happen to slip and fall, as long as you're holding it, I won't drop. I promise. As long as you're holding it, if I fall, you just quickly tension it. Oh. Hello. Hello. Look here. Okay. Come. Cool. My word. Come on, Booty, come. Come, Bella. Come on. Come on, you can get ya. Come on. Hello. Come on. Come. Come up here. Come on. Don't be scared. Come on. Come. Come on. Gain your trust. I need to gain your trust. Oh, good. Is that nice? That's so cool. I'll give you more. Come on. let me move these branches out your way. There we go, you can come here. Come. Come on. Come, I'm scared this branch breaks and then you're going to fly. And then I would have lost every opportunity. Come. Come on. Come. You want the big one? You want that one? Come on. Come. Come on. Oh. There's a and now these branches are wet and slippery. Yeah. Nice foothold here. Very slippery. Where is she? Hello. Hello, bird. Okay, you can attach that net to the small rope. It's alright, I'll get it with a net here.
Yeah, you get it with a net. Stand that thing up on the branch. No, she's not coming towards it. No, she's not. She's seeing this thing and now she's thinking that you're trying to right over. Yeah. Right now, this is not good.
Don't fly.
Come on, madam.
Come here. Come.
Yes! Yes! Get it, boy, get it! Grip it, hold it hard!
Okay,
Grip
go.
it tight, you do it! Hard to the tight! Hard to the tight!
Okay. Okay. Okay, okay, birdie. Okay. Let me go.
You need a glove.
I need a pillowcase.
A pillowcase.
An old pillowcase. Come on.
Is she biting you?
Hey, she bought soy. Good. You got a pillowcase? Okay, okay.
Make sure you get it in there. You have a... Yeah. Sorry.
My God.
Now clipping a wing is not opening again. So left in that one. No, I never kept a wing. With COVID now, you can't go to the plant or not. You can see the eggs, you can
Hey, she bites harder than what do you call those big parrots?
Congo.
Macaw. I've caught a macaw and it didn't bite this saw. Just watch, she'll bite you through the bag, eh?
I think if it's me, I don't think she will. No, I won't. I'm thinking it's still the guy to bite.
That's macaw hooter.
Yeah.
Is
it anyway? Can we just make like a hole in it for the breathe? Would it be okay?
Oh no, she'll breathe through there.
You sure?
Yeah. Okay, time for me to come down.
You make people jump like that. But you don't go out in the wild, you fly like that.
You think this thing is strong? You think it's strong?
Yeah, it is strong.
Certainly feels like it, but if it breaks, I'm going to have a far fall.
I hope you don't mind this. I can come and my nephew here, right? I'm just going to go leave her next to you. I don't know how long she'll be able to breathe in here.
Yeah, cool, go for it, yeah.
I'm be right here. You know my house?
Yeah. Won't you pull? Just keep tense. Feel strong. So theoretically, if I pull this one, okay, sorted. Oh, it's gonna pull.
I will get your plaster.
Not too worried about that. It'll heal. Okay. Hey guys, so what can I say? Patience and persistence always pays off. So many things could have gone wrong on that call out. The bird could have just flown away and could have disappeared out of sight. I could have fallen out of a tree and got really badly hurt. But yeah, you know, I do what I can. As long as I can see the animal, I'm prepared to carry on and do whatever needs to be done to get the animal to safety. And I'm just glad that it turned out the way it did. People are happy, I'm happy. The bird's not so happy, but it's safe. It obviously got really traumatized with me having to grab hold of it and have to restrain it so that it stopped biting me. My goodness, that bird could bite sore. My fingers and hands are full of holes. But anyway, that doesn't matter. As long as the bird is safe and it's back home, I'm happy. Cool, well, see you guys at the next rescue. Cheers for now.